Hello, my name is Cullen McKenzie and I am the project lead for Building Peaceful Schools. There's a lot of work to be done in term 1, so let's just get straight to it. The first thing that regional managers will be doing in the schools is that they will be meeting with the leaders at the schools, the principals or head teachers, and getting a signed memorandum of agreement. This memorandum of agreement is for all of the work that CIE does, not just BPS. One of the main things that we're going to be doing this year is we want to have a project file for BPS at each of the schools, and this will make sure that the schools are able to refer to what work was done, and we are able to confirm with the school what we've done in each term and what we plan to do. The second thing is that regional managers will be confirming dates for the administration of both the School Climate Survey for learners and the School Climate Survey for teachers. These need to be administered by the end of term, which is the 28th of March, and this is so that we can do feedback in term 2. The other thing is that regional managers will be working out some time with the schools to conduct some of the first Building Peaceful Schools set pieces. These are variable activities depending on the time available to teachers at the school and responsive to the needs of the school, but derived from the workshops which have been fully laid out and conducted in the schools since 2013. So what we're hoping is that there will be at least one of these set pieces conducted in the schools by the end of term 1. Another thing that will be done in term 1 is that the regional managers will be meeting with the designated child safeguarding person. This is a key part of all of CIE's work and is something which will be explained in greater detail in other explainer videos. But the designated child safeguarding person is responsible for keeping track of all incidents that occur at the school and then discussing those with the regional managers, who will meet with them on a regular basis and schedule coaching sessions with them, as well as training for the schools that need it, especially for new teachers. Another thing that will be occurring in term 1 is that the regional managers will be meeting with peer mediation supervisor teachers. Now, peer mediation is something that will be explained in greater detail elsewhere, but essentially it is the Building Peaceful Schools workshops adapted for learners at the school to make sure that the learners are able to respond to conflict and issues without having to escalate to the teachers. And it also teaches them important skills for dealing with interpersonal relationships. And it's one of the areas where BPS overlaps with Direction Statement 3, which is about 21st century learning. Another thing that the BPS program requires in term 1 is that regional managers will be arranging meetings with circuit, district and provincial education officials. This is part of ongoing advocacy, and this is an overlap between Direction Statement 1 work and Direction Statement 5 work, which is about advocacy to government and ensuring sustainability of the schools. In this case, the meetings with circuit officials will be for sharing some of the climate survey data and talking about the programs that we're doing in the school. Finally, there's a very exciting thing which is happening in certain schools, 10 schools in 2025. We started a pilot in 2024 with 5 schools in the Northwest, and this is around parental engagement as part of the Making the African Church Safe program, which is a funded program that is occurring in 3 different African countries. What these parental engagement sessions will look like is that we will be training parental facilitators who are parents themselves, and then they will conduct workshops with parents and their children in grades 6, 7 and upwards. And these workshops are aimed at helping parents to cope with the challenges of raising children in the 21st century in South Africa. So overall, that's a lot of work to be done. That is 12 different activities. I've only mentioned a few of them because there are also things like communications, which we are currently doing. Thank you.